Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 7 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for American client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material by molding compound high viscous material. The whole mixer will make it explosion-proof type, including the motor and the electricity parts. For the motors part, we use the Siemens brand motor and high-tooth face reducer connected directly to support the strong power. The reducer is Chinese first brand, good quality. While the top part is the explosion-proof type electricity cabinet, the main components we use Schneider brand. The right part is the mixing chamber. The material contact part will make stainless steel and mirror polish, including the whole top blade part. We equipped 2 windows, one with light, another for check during the mixing work. Around the chamber we equipped a jacket and remains a connection port because the client would like to connect it with their own heating or cooling system. The right part with the wheel is a hand wheel reducer for the material discharging period. So the material discharging method is cylinder tilting. Okay, let's take one to see it. Including the pipes, also explosion-proof type. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. Let's focus on the panel and make a test for it. This is the emergency stop button. This is the inverter. And this is for the speed control. After speed set, the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. Voltmeter and meter. Temperature display for the jacket and temperature display for the inside material. Buttons part makes in direction forward, reverse, and stop. Okay. We can check inside via this window. Now I start it. We can control the speed here. Here, this is max speed. I make half speed. Okay, let's check. Now blades rotating forward direction. I turn max speed slowly. There it is. No problem. I stop it. And then we test the reverse direction. Also 42, no problem. Now blades rotating in reverse direction. The reverse direction would help material discharging period. Okay. I make it slower, lower. Next, I would like to introduce our safety protection system. It is regarding the sensors. The blue head sensor on the top lid support part. Once the top lid opened during the mixing work, without any operation on the stop button or the panel, the mixer will stop for safety consideration. Now I display it. I open the top lid. The mixer stopped. This is the safety system. However, even in this situation, I can also drive the blades, both for the forward and reverse direction. Another function we call it engine switch function. Just keep my finger on the buttons continuously, such as forward, blades forward rotating, remove my finger stop. It is the same principle for the reverse direction, like this. Keep my finger on reverse. Blade reverse rotating. Also, it can convenient for the maintenance and cleaning of the mixer. Just now, I have made a simple introduction and function test for the new finished 7 liters model kneader mixer for US client used in bike molding compound material mixing industry. If you have any interest for it, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.